Guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. I thought that I would do an unboxing of this Diorskin Nude Luminizer that I bought recently. I was watching Mel Thompson and she was talking about how she lives for this luminizer. It's beautiful, it's gorgeous, it's amazing, and they had it at Nordstrom. And like on a whim, one night after I'd been working at like 11 o'clock, I like came home and I was like, I deserve this. I just got home from the hospital. It's like 11 o'clock at night. So I went ahead and bought this crazy expensive highlighter. And when it came, I was like, what is this? Like, they sent me the wrong thing. Like, look at the size of this box. Like, it's just crazy. And I was like, no, this is the Luminizer. And I felt like because a compact came in a box this big, that I needed to unbox it with you because I actually think it's beautiful and I think that this would make a beautiful holiday gift. And I am obviously thinking holiday, holiday, holiday because the holidays are upon us. And so I thought I would unbox it for you so you can see how it comes. And if you were looking for another gift idea, this might be one of them. It's so pretty. So it's the Diorskin Nude Air Luminizer. You can get this at Nordstrom. It comes in a gold and a pink. And when you take it out of the box, this is what it looks like. Like, what comes this way except this? Now I understand the price point. But how stunning is this compact, you guys? Like, look at it. It's like amazing. So the compact, the important thing, the reason why we're talking about this, is a luminizer in the shade Hollow Pink. And I hope it's not blinding you with my lights, but this gorgeous quilted compact opens up into a gorgeous printed highlighter. Now, I don't know if every Dior highlighter comes this way because this was like a limited edition that you can only find at Nordstrom. So if you want it, hurry over to the Nordstrom site. But this is in Hollow Pink. It's so beautiful. Let me swatch it for you. Oh my gosh, that I'm even like digging into this stunning palette like hurts me. You guys know already that I love pinkish, goldish, champagne-ish highlights, and this is one of them. Look at how beautiful that is. So let me swatch that on my hand for you. That is what it looks like. How pretty is that, you guys? It's so beautiful. And they also have it in like a gold shade. So if you are a deeper skin tone, a more olivey skin tone, and you are interested in this, or you're interested in getting this as a gift for somebody with those kinds of skin tones, check it out because it was a beautiful gold shade. It also comes with this little bitty miniature like kabuki looking brush. Now, if you were gonna use this, you would wanna use like a very light hand to just like dab it on the apples of your cheeks. But it is beautiful. I mean, it's a really stunning little brush. If you didn't want to use it for this highlighter, I feel like you could easily use this as a little bitty kabuki brush for many, many other things. For application of contour, for, what else could you use this for? Powder application. So it does come with this like little brush. If you wanted to use this, this claims that it can be like an all over the face luminizer or a highlighter. So if you were gonna use this all over the face with a very light hand, you could use this to apply it all over the face. You would not want to use a heavy hand because I think you would look like you were from outer space. And then it comes with something else. So let's see what this is because I haven't even opened it. I didn't even look. When I saw this, I was like, I need to film a video because like what highlighter comes this way? So let me put this down, and I think this is probably like a little case for the compact because sometimes when you buy like really beautiful compacts, they will come with little cases, and that is indeed what it is. Look at how pretty this is. It's like a little storage compact. I like this actually. And the reason is because if you're keeping this in your purse, it is a beautiful way to store the compact so that the compact doesn't get all scratched up. It also keeps the compact from opening up in your purse and then breaking or making your purse dirty. So I actually think that having a little bag like this to put your compact in, if it's in your purse, is a wonderful idea. So I think that is so nice, and I think that that would make such a beautiful gift. This is such a short video, but I just wanted to unbox that with you guys and show you like just how beautifully presented this Dior highlighter slash luminizing powder was, and what a great gift I think it would make for a makeup lover in your life. I have never owned anything so fancy. I don't have any Dior. I don't think I have anything Dior in my collection at all. When I was young and I didn't buy a lot of makeup, I used to wear Dior foundation religiously. Like, I loved the Dior foundation. I had a Dior concealer because my mom was like a big Dior makeup user. And then when I got more and more into makeup and I had more money to spend when I was in medical school, and I know in medical school for sure, like, I exclusively used Dior products, but I didn't buy any makeup. I mean, I had no money. So I bought a foundation and a concealer, and that was it. And that was all my makeup. But I have not bought anything since medical school that was Dior, and I am so impressed, and I think it's so beautiful, and I think it would make the most fabulous gift. So I hope that you guys enjoyed that unboxing with me today, and I hope everybody is having a great, safe holiday season. Take care of yourselves, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.